In this video, I will show you how to make your own face in Roblox in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. Now, in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is come across to roblox.com and log into your account. Once you've gone ahead and logged in, what you're going to do is come to this menu on the left hand side and you want to click onto inventory. So on the next screen, what you're going to want to do is click onto the green button up here which says get more. What that's going to do is take you across to the marketplace, and from here you're going to want to come to this menu on the left hand side and click onto face. Now what you want to do is go ahead and choose the facial expression that you want to use. So as you can see, there's a ton of different ones available. And once you found the one that you want to use, you just want to click onto it like so. Just right click onto the actual image itself, and that's going to bring up this menu. So what you want to do is click onto save image as, and that's going to go ahead and download this onto your PC. So I'm just going to call this one face and then go ahead and save that. Make sure it's in PNG format at this point and click save. So what you're going to want to do next is come across to photop.com. Now the reason we're going to use this is because what I'm going to do, I've basically downloaded a slightly different mouth as well. So what I'm going to do is actually change it up slightly because I've downloaded a different mouth that I want to use. So first what I'm going to do is drag the face into the editor like this. So this is the face that we've chosen. And what I'm going to do is come across to the left hand side, press onto the eraser. You can do this too if you want to. And basically I'm just going to erase the mouth and replace it with the different mouth that I downloaded. So there we go. As you can see, I've completely erased the mouth. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and drag my alternative mouth that I want to use into here. And of course, what I'm going to do is just resize this and just move this about so we have a good fit. So I'm quite happy with this. And once you've gone ahead and done that yourself, if you come up to the top left hand corner, press onto file and then go down to export as. And again, you just want to export this as a PNG file. So what I'm going to do is change this to example face, and then I'm going to click the save button to save the changes and export my file. So you can see that's exported and downloaded, ready to go. So now we've got our face created. What we're going to do now is upload this to Roblox. So what I'm going to do is come back to Roblox, and once you're logged in, what you want to do is come up to the top and press on to create. And that's going to take you across to your creator hub. Now what you want to do from here is just scroll down slightly until you get to the avatar item section and then press the upload asset button. So from here what you're going to want to do is change the asset type, and you want to select decal and then just go ahead and upload your image. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. I'm going to leave this as example face, and the description I'm just going to leave as decal. Of course you can change this to whatever you want, and then press the blue upload button at the bottom. So you can see that's currently uploading. It just takes a minute or two to do that. So whilst you're waiting for that to upload, what you're going to want to do is open up the Roblox Studio on your device. So I'm just going to go ahead and open that up now. Now we're in the Roblox Studio. I've just opened up the default baseplate template, and what you're going to want to do from here is come up to the top and you want to press onto avatar. From here, go ahead and select the rig builder and then go ahead and select my avatar. So once you've done that, what you want to do is come to the Explorer window on the right hand side, click onto the arrow next to rig, and then you want to click onto head. Now what you want to do is expand the head menu by pressing the small arrow next to this, and basically you want to locate where it says face, click onto this and then press delete on your keyboard. So now that's done, you will see my person, their face has been removed. Obviously I've still got glasses on, but their actual facial expression has been removed. So I'm just going to move that along so you can see it a bit better. And what you now want to do is come back to the Explorer window, click onto head, and then come to the left hand side to your toolbox. And what you want to do is click onto the little light bulb option up here where it takes you to your creations. In the drop down box you want to change this to images, and that's going to load all your images. So what I'm going to do is, you can see the example face that we created. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one. That's going to go ahead and add it to my character. So you can see now that we have added this face, and that's how to basically go ahead and make your own face in Roblox in 2023. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.